Good day, good nerds. No, I'm kidding. Right, nerds. Today we're going to be doing a exhaust change on a MT-10. So, you know, let's get to it. Right, so here we have it. This is the box. More boxes. The exhaust, the scorpion thing. A couple of tools. There's some instructions in there. Pretty self-explanatory, really. See what shit's in here. I think yes, nothing really too challenging or demanding. And here we have the stock exhaust, which we will say fuck you to and fuck it right off, basically. Just to say, the link pipe hasn't arrived yet, so the original cap is still on it. Whenever that decides to turn up, that will be put in as well, and you know, should be a clean system then. I will give it a sound check so you guys can see the difference between the stock and then the Scorpion. So we shall give it a whirl. Right, bike is on. Yep, everything sounds pretty cushed here. It don't sound too bad stock, to be honest, but that thing needs to be fucked off for it to actually sound fairly decent. So we'll start changing and see wagwanning. Rightio, so the first thing we'll be doing is we'll be taking off this one here, which is a 5mm, and this bolt here, which I believe is a 6mm. So on with the show. And there we are, we've got it off. Just a quick one, there is a spacer here, or a washer, whichever way around, or whatever you want to fucking call it. So there is one of them on the actual bolt, and that is the exhaust off. There's also our little one here, which actually is stayed on, because obviously you can't come out. There's also this clamp here, which you don't really need to loosen, you don't need to worry about it too much. And then we have some space for your new slip-on. So here we go, that's the stock, that's the Scorpion. It is short and stubby. That one is a couple of inches longer. That's what she said. So according to the instructions, this doesn't actually need a what do you call it, the clasp, so you can just slide it in and then you just tighten up the bolt in there and it should stay on. This is the fitting kit. Doesn't take a genius to work out how it all works, so yeah, and I'll fit it on and show you what it looks like at the end. So that's how it goes, basically. So you got the bolt in there, the top of that's the spacer there, and then your washer, and then your bolt at the end, and then you just use the Allen key and wherever, and get a spanner on the end. Jobs are good in. Right, the exhaust is now fitted. It's all tightened up. There's a little bit of play there, but I think that's because of that pipe. Once I get the link in it, the link pipe, I reckon it'll be good to go. Then take it for a spin, make sure none of the bolts are going to come off, and yeah, that is the finished product. Looks a hell of a lot better than that stock pile of shite. Right, we'll give it a sound check and see what one. There we have it. Slip-on exhaust is on. That entire process probably took me about, I want to say 10 minutes, 15 minutes. with the video included, but if I didn't do the video, it might have been 5 minutes, if that. And that, my friends, nerds, is how you put on a Scorpion exhaust. I might be dropping a link pipe video as well when I do that, and take that apart and then replace that. But yeah, stay tuned. Peace out.